In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert your Gmail layout back to its original view, a useful tip if you're feeling a bit nostalgic or find the newer interface a bit overwhelming. To get started, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Google search page. Once there, you'll want to type in a query such as how to change Gmail back to original layout view. Hitting enter will present you with a list of results. You'll be looking for the guide or tutorial that best aligns with your needs. Once you've selected a useful link, click on it to navigate further. This will generally contain detailed instructions or settings that allow you to transition back to the layout you prefer. It's often a straightforward process, but having the right guidance makes all the difference. Now head over to your Gmail account. Log into the account where you wish to make these changes using your usual credentials. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your inbox. Look at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Here you'll find a gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click on this icon. After clicking on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to focus on the section labeled Quick Settings, which is a hub for customization options that Gmail provides for its users. Take some time to look through the various options available here. Your goal is to locate an option that relates to the layout view or display density. In the Quick Settings menu, look for the Density section. This will present you with a few different view choices such as Default, Comfortable, and Compact. You might notice that the default setting is more aligned with the new layout. If the original Gmail layout is what you're after, switching to a different option like Comfortable or Compact may simply offer the simplicity you're seeking. Once you've selected your preferred display density, scroll down to find additional view settings. Many times, these settings are labeled something like Themed View or Classic Style and might even include visual previews. Adjust these settings until they provide the layout you recognize as the original. Finally, don't forget to save any changes you've made. Most times, Gmail auto-saves, but confirming your settings is always a good step to make sure everything looks just as you want it. Refresh your page if necessary to ensure that all changes take effect properly. There you have it, a complete guide to bringing back the original Gmail layout view. Whether it's for ease of use, nostalgia, or just personal preference, you've now got the tools to navigate effortlessly through your email with the view that suits you the best. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to leave questions or comments if you need further assistance.